Vinyl window installation in West Valley City is a top choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient solutions. With a variety of vinyl window options available, residents can enjoy the benefits of improved insulation and reduced energy costs. Vinyl window contractors in West Valley City offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient vinyl windows. West Valley City are designed to provide superior insulation, helping to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round. These windows are crafted with high-quality vinyl window frames and glass, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Vinyl window insulation is a key feature that sets these windows apart from traditional options. Custom vinyl windows. West Valley City allow homeowners to choose from a wide range of vinyl window designs and styles. Whether you prefer double-hung vinyl windows or sliding vinyl windows, there are vinyl window solutions to match your aesthetic preferences and functional needs. Vinyl window experts in West Valley City can guide you through the selection process. Window replacement services in West Valley City are essential for upgrading outdated or damaged windows. Vinyl window replacement offers a cost-effective solution with affordable vinyl windows that do not compromise on quality. Vinyl window upgrades can enhance the appearance and value of your home while providing improved energy efficiency. Vinyl windows. West Valley City is a crucial service for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Regular vinyl window maintenance can prevent minor issues from becoming major problems, ensuring your windows remain in optimal condition. Vinyl window contractors in West Valley City are equipped to handle all types of repairs and maintenance tasks. Affordable windows. West Valley City are available through reputable vinyl window suppliers. These suppliers offer competitive vinyl window quotes and estimates, making it easier for homeowners to budget for their window projects. Vinyl window estimates in West Valley City provide a clear understanding of the costs involved in window installation or replacement. Vinyl windows. West Valley City durability is a significant advantage of choosing vinyl windows for your home. The robust construction of vinyl window frames and glass ensures they can withstand harsh weather conditions in West Valley City. Vinyl window features such as UV resistance and low maintenance requirements make them a practical choice for any homeowner. Vinyl window styles in West Valley City cater to diverse tastes and architectural designs. From traditional to contemporary, there are vinyl window options to complement any home. Vinyl window benefits include enhanced curb appeal, increased property value, and improved energy efficiency, making them a wise investment for West Valley City residents. Vinyl window solutions in West Valley City are tailored to meet the specific needs of each homeowner. Whether you require new installations, repairs, or replacements, vinyl window experts in West Valley City provide comprehensive services. Vinyl window contractors in West Valley City are committed to delivering high-quality workmanship and customer satisfaction.